Hi, my lovely Aries. This is Sri Vidya. I'll be doing your weekly reading. This is love and relationship reading. I'll be doing angel card reading as well. Whatever comes in angel card, we'll see to it. And especially if an angel comes to it, I'll definitely ask you people, request you people to call upon those archangels, and they'll help you a lot. So let's begin. And also, I really request you people to please comment whosoever resonated with it, because it really helps me a great deal. Okay, let's now begin with your reading. So, shuffle for these cards are already shuffled. My dear angels, my dear archangels, let's begin our reading for Aries for this week. Face your challenge. This is a major card. You must be going through some challenging phase of your life. That's why this card came. And you're afraid to take that challenge, but you are left with no choice but to face it. So let me see what are the other energies surrounding Archangel Chamuel. Actually, I was waiting for some archangel to come, because when an archangels come, a particular archangel is definitely there to guide you. Archangel Chamuel is all about love, and you must be facing challenge regarding love situations. So call upon her. She will definitely guide you and help you. Okay, and I'm really thankful for her for being here with me in this reading. One more card, one more archangel's card, one more archangel's card. What they want you to see, Aries. One more archangel card, archangels. Generosity. See, generosity. This is like generosity card comes when you are not being generous to others as well as yourself. You need to be kind towards yourself also. You are taking the situation in a very harsh manner. You could be blaming yourself also, but don't do that. And I don't know why I have been taking to this phone number 444. 444 is an angelic number, and this signifies stability. You must be very afraid regarding your stability, your house, your home environment, and that's the reason for your challenge that you're facing. Let's dig deep into what you are actually going through in your love relationship, and we'll see through your tarot cards. Okay, the cards are already shuffled, cutting the deck, and now beginning your reading. Archangels, please show me the current self of my Aries people. Current self. One card, please. Current self of Aries. Current self. It's a beautiful card. My God. You are in the most happy and relaxed state of mind as of now. What is the crossing card? You're a happy-go-lucky person also. The crossing card is the star reversed, but see, sun is there, star is there, but the star is reversed. Means you are not being very much hopeful regarding a particular situation. Although you are a very happy-go-lucky kind of person, but you are afraid from inside. I don't know why. Let me get all the cards, then only I can guide you. Your foundation energy, heart. Oh my God, you have been hurt. You have been hurt in the past, and this is what my archangels, my angels are telling me to take your direction, your sight into that. You have been hurt, and pay attention to your pain, because ignoring your pain doesn't keeps it, doesn't avoid it. The pain is there, and you have to face it. This could be your challenge. Although you are a very happy-go-lucky, you are a very innocent kind of person also. Very easily, very gullible type of person, and could be easily deceived. Let me see if a deceiver card comes in your reading. Show me the past for Aries. Show me the past for Aries. Show me the past for Aries. What happened in the past for my Aries people? What happened in the past? Okay, one more card. One more card. Stability. Again, the stability comes in stability. You were expecting an offer from someone, and that offer was emotional also, and the someone was your ex only. You were expecting for him to come, but he didn't come, and that was that affected your stability also. The crowning energy that as therefore it is the emperor. Crowning energy is being means either you are being in a very authoritative position or someone is there to control you, that is lurking around you, but that person is not giving you stability. The future that will come to pass, so that's future that will come. Ace of sword. You will be cutting something off. Clear cut. You will be just cutting something off. I'll be getting some see, lovers. This all is regarding a love relationship. Something. This is all together regarding the love relationship. The marriage. There's a marriage card. He didn't offer you the commitment what you were hoping for. Then also you got some offer that you were not very much happy with. You were contemplating on it, but you didn't took that offer. But the world card has come. This major arcanas are there. Major arcanas. You're going through a very challenging phase of your life, and this could be very this could turn out to be very beautiful also. So definitely I ask you to call Archangel Chamuel. She. This is a feminine. This is the energy. This is not a masculine person or a female person. This is a masculine energy or a feminine energy. In whichever way you want to connect, call her, call him to face your challenge, and do face your challenge. This challenge is regarding your you're being heard. You're a very gullible person. You're a very happy-go-lucky, very pure person. So definitely someone has done something wrong that has hurted you. You're not being generous to yourself also. So be generous towards yourself. Not all the time. I can ask for it. Please give me a clarification card for Sun. The lovers. See, this is too much. You are in total love with the other person, and the other person also loves you. Then what is the issue? We'll get into it later. Why the star is reversed? The star is reversed because you are stuck in your thoughts. You're thinking so much about it, but you're not getting out of it. You're thinking so much about it, and see. Six of sword is also here. Six of cup is also here. So this is totally about you're waiting for someone to come. That you're waiting for the ex to come in your life. Why these three of swords? Why these three of swords? Why these three of swords? Because my God, you have got Sun. Two same cards from two different decks. This is a very beautiful card. Believe me, Aries, you are an incredible person, as well as this heartbreak has opened a portal for you, a way for you. Two of cups. Either you are going to get a beautiful love in your life. See, two of cups. You will be rewarded. Believe me, the kind of person you are, definitely universe is supporting you. Please show me the past energy. Why six of cups is reversed? Why six of cups is reversed? What happened in the past? The chariot reversed. This is the Cancerian energy. So you were expecting for something to happen, but it didn't happen. Someone to come to you, but he didn't come. Okay. Why is the Emperor there? Why is the Emperor there? Please? Angels, please show me why is the Emperor there? You are blocking someone, and you are being very headstrong. You are blocking someone. You are being very headstrong in your crowning energy. Recently, you will be going to be in this energy. One more card. Please clarify why is there two of swords and the Emperor. What happened? Justice. You want justice. My dear Aries, I hope you are able to see this. This is a justice card. You want justice. Something. You want the things to be balanced. You want stability. Two. You want this. This is something that you are totally concerned about. This totally relates with the person you are in love with. You are totally in deep love with that person. And as far as I can tell, that person also loves you, but he has done something wrong. Something is fishy here. That's why you're blocking him. You're not seeing whatever he's going to present to you. You just want justice. If something has happened this way, why this has happened? But you're not, and on the other side, you're also not in a listening mode. You're just in a mode. You just want the action. Your Knight of Swords. See, you want action. You don't want words. Why the Ace of Swords is there in the future? What will happen? Four of Cups. There will be some offer that will be presented to you, but most likely you are going to reject it. But one more card, please, for the Ace of Swords. Why is one more card, please? Why is the Ace of Swords is there? One more card. Death. Yeah, you are going to cut someone, and if the Ace of Cup is beneath, then I can clearly see that even though you are in love with this person, but in future you'll not be accepting his cup. See, he's going to offer you a cup, but you will be in a mode, I'm not interested in that. See, I hope you're able to see this. It's a beautiful card. It's a beautiful card. But in future there will be a tower moment as well. There will be a tower moment, and you are going to cut this person off. What is the advice for you? Angels, please advise. Please give advice, my Aries. Please give me one card as an advice card. Please give me one card as an advice card. Five of Cups. Yes, I was actually I was sensing this kind of feeling. Five of Cups is something that you are weeping over. You are very in a very despair kind of state because of the actions that you have taken. See, if you are going to reject this person's offer, if you are going to cut this off, then at least go through it in a very deep way. Just don't block the conversation. Don't block the conversation. First, see through everything, every minute detail, because I can see that this person loves you. He must have done something in the past, but my guides are telling you that you are most likely going to end this beautiful relationship. See, Lovers, Sun card, everything, every good card is also here. And if you are going to do that, do it with utmost caution. Otherwise, you are going to repent that in future. This is what I am also feeling. I was also feeling before when I was here. I was also feeling this. Let me give you one Atlantis card advice. Please give my archangels. Please advise Aries what should be done, how they should take this, how they should take the challenge, how they should face the challenge. Please give me a card. Yes, I really. Okay. Marriage. You got marriage card. You got marriage card. This is a marriage. This is a beautiful relationship. Just don't throw it away. Your guidance is to commit yourself to something, a project, your home, family, work, or a relationship. Commitment is a powerful contract that will focus your energy to enable your intent to flourish. Make a commitment. Don't run away from it. You are running away from it. Something happened, but you are just running away from it. Face the challenge and be generous towards your person also. He is in love with you. So this is your reading, Aries. Please like and subscribe and share your comment. Thank you. Sri Vidya signing off.